that guy doing? What's that guy doing? Is he making videos? What's up, guys? I'm Sean. This is Zion Creek Farm. This is our first video, or launch video. Got all psyched up about a year ago, like, let's do some videos. Alright, I think I made one and then I was like, yeah, not cool, not gonna do that. So it just keeps coming back to me and I just keep wanting to do it. Anyway, I got the camera on. Gonna do like some normal routine morning stuff. Hopefully inspire some people, maybe educate some people. I'm not an expert, so don't ever get that wrong. Just things we've learned. So, kicking the morning off. First thing is haul water. There's a barn over there. Way out there in the distance. You can probably see it right there. It's this thing is making it look super small, but it's only 330 feet. But 330 feet is far enough. I got to carry 15 gallons of water. So yeah, let's just start off with that. Carry the water, shut my mouth, show you some stuff. Also, what's the deal? I'm not a super nervous guy. I can talk one-on-one with like anybody, ever. If you know me, you know that's true. I tend to be a chatterbox. Turn a stupid camera on, there's nobody even here. Is it weird because I'm talking to myself? Is it weird because I know I'm potentially talking to, I guess the world, since anybody can view this once I put it up? I don't know. Super nervous. Anyway, here we go. Alright, I might leave that in there because I put my big stupid face into the camera shot because I don't know my equipment that well yet. Let's say hi to the piggies. I miss Lulu. Good morning. So this is Lulu, Lucy. The other orange pig there, that's little Lou. And then this is Waddles, because she was born without Waddles. So Lulu, Lil Lou, and Waddles. Alright, so onward with watering. This is the goat slash sheep barn slash cat barn. These are the assassins, Boots and China Cat. I guess I'm doing a stupid farm tour, even though I was like, let's not do a farm tour because I hate those. But everybody's here. Everybody has their own stalls at night. So just locked in, so we know they're safe. You can't really do anything too crazy to injure themselves. This is Sugar Pie. The little baby over there, my best goat, Tic Tac. Hi, Tiki. Love her. And then Sprinkles. So these guys all board together. Hi, baby. Good morning. She never comes up on the gate. What are you doing? Over here we have the tiniest goat ever, Custard, back there in the corner. And then we have Ambrosia. Next stall over, we have Cookie. Hi, Miss Cookie. It's a big sweetie. Also doesn't really care. I don't know if she thinks she's a human or a dog. Pretty sure she doesn't think she's a goat. There's Gypsy. A little bit of problem with her right now. She had some ringworm. She might have a slight zinc deficiency, so we're working on that. There's assassin number 1, China Cat. Hi, Chai Chai. Good morning. Good morning, baby. She usually scratches me. She's missing an eye. Both of these girls were farm rescues. There's a great program close to us. They rescue the cats, spay and neuter. All their shots are given. Everything's up to date. Hi, Boots. Not gonna be on the camera? No? Okay. I'm not kidding you, stone cold killers. These cats one day brought me a half a rabbit. Like a half a rabbit. Yeah, nothing gets by them. All right, anyway, moving on. This is Meringue. She is what we call sketchy. Yeah, hi, crazy eyes, I see you. Doesn't like to be petted, or touched, or come to people, unless you have animal cookies. And this is Miss Struzel. Good morning. She is the herd queen. Ow, that's my finger. And the biggest sweetheart ever. Oh, baby. And then we have the sheep. Pez, Little Mama, Miss Ellie, and Friday. And then we have the sweet Miss Muffin. Hi, good morning. You want to be on camera? And her roomie is Puddin'. Outside the barn, this is the buck barn over there. We'll get over to that in a minute. Check that out. All right, I'm just gonna set this up, I think. I don't know what I'm doing. Keep that in mind. The whole time you're watching this, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna set this up like over on the side somewhere, see if I can get it to cover the whole span of the building, and just go about doing what I'm doing. I have one goat in milk right now. That is this lady here. We're milking her once a day now. So, I don't know, try to set up the camera so you can see that. We hand milk everything. So when spring rolls around and I have 11 of them to milk, it takes a little extra time in the morning. We get her done. And I'll tell you later what we do with our goat milk. Alright, set this up, get to it. Alright, well, I can't really get all the barn. So I'll give you the best I can get with it for now. I'll figure out some angles later, I guess. I'll have to work on that. So I'm just gonna buzz around. I'll just come back and get you guys before I start milking. This video might just be a comedy of errors. Calls it like we sees it. Okay, well, oh, that took 3 minutes. Feels like it takes long sometimes. Alright, anyway, so in my, hey, let's make a video. I forgot to bring over my milk container so I can milk the goats. I'm just going to dash and get that. Since I forgot the milk bowl, I had to go back to the house and get it. I get back over here. Obviously, she has already eaten all of her grain out of there. So I had to give her more, so let me get this set up so I can get her milked. this is just a leg tie. She, every now and then, will get annoyed and kick over my milk bowl. Are there rules against setting up your camera and then having to move it because you think you might hate the shot? Or like you can't see what I'm doing? I don't know, I'm moving the camera. Let's try that. All right, moving on. So, milk done. She's still chomping away. So this is our milk stand. Just hand built. If you've ever looked at the price of one, they're expensive. I had this lumber laying around. I'm like, yeah, I can totally build that. So that's what I did. All right, I'm gonna clean up the floor a little bit. Get rid of some of this hay. Feed that off to the pigs. Pigs love it. Alright guys, so next up is the boy barn, the buck boys. So trying to stay out of details again, just go. The boys are getting pelletized alfalfa pellets. The girls want some. Get out of here. Don't knock my camera over. Don't. Cookie. No. This little baby girl right here. Hi. I said don't mess with my camera. Again, does this knock over? Does this knock over? I'm gonna have to put it inside. So, patience. Yeah, not gonna have that cool gate walkthrough video. Because somebody. Hi. Alright, also still learning. Looks like the battery's dying, so. I didn't see what happened. Apparently one of the boys, in his need for one of the girls, knocked over my camera. Then it was an SD card error. I might just do a video of like bloopers. It's the blooper reel. Video 1. Giant Creek Farm. Bloopers. Might be entertaining. I don't know. I might watch that. I have to figure something out because clearly goats and cameras do not mix. Alright, anyway, boys are fed. Might be making you guys dizzy. Oh. Boys need water. Sorry, sheep. So, might as well meet the boys while we're here. Finish the farm tour. See how easy it is to do a farm tour? This is Baby Boo. Little cutie pie. This is Sugar Pie's baby we met earlier. This is Mr. Jack, Black Jack, and Mr. Snickers. Say hi, Snicks. The boys also have hay in their feeder in here. I filled it up last night because I didn't want to mess with it this morning because I knew it was going to be super cold. You know what? I think that pretty much wraps it up over here. On this side of the creek. Or crick, depending on where you're from. So I think I'm just going to go over turn this off, head over to the rabbit barn and the chickens. What's up, guys? So since I'm still new at this, I didn't know how much video I needed, so I shot like 3 hours for a 15-minute video, so it's getting a little extra long. So I'm just going to wrap it up here. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I might pop a couple bloopers in right after this. Give us a follow, share, tell your friends, enjoy. Okay, so cool as these. Camera won't come back on, so I take the battery out. It wouldn't turn off. It wouldn't record. It wouldn't do anything. Then I dropped the case. This is fun. This is hard. When I took the camera out of the case, I took the battery out. Then I dropped the case in the grass. So I cleaned the lens cover, get the battery back in, turn the camera on. It's working. Put it back in the case. Drop the case in the grass with the camera in it. This file corrupted, cannot be recovered.